Sir. Hi, ma'am. Stop. Stop. So far.
Very nice. Very attentive on stuff.
Then, ano sa pala eh?
Ay, okay. Ibutang na di mo suman.
Ay, mo ka na. Ano sa pala eh?
Sa may lain na. Daghan kay kapilian sa designs.
Then,
Plastic eh.
Hi, ma'am, sir. So, unsa inyong gipang bati rong adlaw?
We're very happy to be here.
And then, sa inyong experience ron sa studio, ma'am, unsa may inyong ikasulti?
Very nice. 5-star review.
Very accommodating ang
Very
staff.
hands-on
Yeah.
ang pagkuhan. So,
Very memorable.
Comfortable ni someone.
Nice environment.
Ah,
Good
okay.
staff. Ambience is great.
So, kuan niyo like
Yeah, highly recommend. Yun ako
Yeah. We recommend everyone to take their photos here. This is Harry Ann, our very trusted photographer for today.
Nauna siya sa kuan. At kami siya sa dine. And then, very accessible ang area.
okay. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Oh, ma'am.
Bye-bye!
Okay.
Yay!